Friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we will select the top plane, the exit plane, rotate the view, and here we will take rectangle command and take a 2-point sector rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle profile. Now go to dimension. Define this height here as 75 mm and the width will be of 95 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Now here we are going to take extrude. So this extrude will be of 10 mm. It is seen already 10 mm and press OK. Okay, now here select the fillet command and here take a fillet radius of 10 mm. Go to edge selection, select all the corners, or you can change the radius to 12.5. Select all the corners, this and this. Now press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. We are going to make the mounting holes. So take the circle command and at the center of this we will make a circle of diameter 10. Enter. Now here at this center and at this center and here at this center. Okay. Now escape. Now go to equal constraint. Select the circle, press Ctrl and select all the 4 circles. Okay, so they all will be of same radius. Escape. So the diameter of all the 3 will also be 10 dia. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the 4 dia and here take cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here go to the right plane, go to origin and here we are going to select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch and here take the line command. From this edge take one straight line and one like this. Escape. Go to dimension. Define this height here as 65 and the angle of this will be 120 degree. Okay. Now escape. Select both the lines and here make them construction unit. Okay. Finish sketch and here we are going to make a taper plane. So go to plane and here we are going to select YZ plane and select this line. So at 90 degree you can see at 90 degree from this YZ plane, this plane will be constructed. Okay, so the angle of this new plane will be 120 degree. Press OK. Okay, go to part 4. Here you can see this taper profile we are making. Now to construct this profile, go to part 1, select this plane, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile over here. Go to dimension. Define this width here as 45 and height here as 60. Escape. Okay. Now here rotate the profile. We are going to select this center point rather than this. So go to project geometry and project this point. Okay. Go to the taper view and escape. Now here go to coincident. Select this point and here select this green point. Okay. Now this is constrained. Finish sketch. Take extrude command. Rotate the profile to home. Here flip the direction. So the extrude here will be of 8 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here go to sketch 3, turn off the visibility and select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay. Now here go to fillet, take a radius of 8 mm, go to edge selection. Here select all the 4 corners this corner and this corner. Press OK. So they all will be of radius 8 mm. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, and here we are going to make a circle of dia 8 as we have made of dia 10 previously. Okay, so here also and here also. Okay, go to equal constraint, select this circle, select this, select this, select this, and select this last. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the 4, go to cut, and here you can just drag this, go to right view and press OK. Go to home. So this will be the next profile. Now we have to make a joining profile between these two. Go to part 4. So we have a joining profile. Go to part 1 once again. Select this face, go to create sketch. Take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Select the center point and make a rectangle till this edge. Go to sketch, go to dimension. Here take a dimension of 8 mm. Now finish sketch. Now rotate the profile, rotate it once more. Select this back face. Okay, go to view, visual style, shade with the edges. So we have selected this back face here. Go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Sketch again, take the rectangle command, take 2-point center rectangle, make a rectangle profile till this edge, go to dimension. Here define this width as 8 mm, and from top end this will be at a distance of 14 mm. Escape. Now here when I drag this, so it is coming inside. So go to coincident, select this line and select this point. Okay, now finish sketch, rotate the view to home. Now we have 2 sketch over here, so we will make a joining profile. Go to 3D model, take loft, select this profile and select this profile. Go to right, so you have a straight profile over here. Press OK. Go to home, go to view, visual style, back to shade with the edges. Okay, now we are going to make a rib profile over here. So for the rib profile, select the YZ plane, go to create sketch, and here take line command, select this top end and select this end. Now escape, rotate the profile to home, select this yellow profile, make it construction. When I rotate this, okay, no profile is present here. Now finish sketch, go to 3D model, take rib, and here we will take parallel to sketch plane and the thickness of 8 mm. Okay, go to home and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take a circle command and make a circle profile over here. Okay, go to dimension, and here we are going to define the diameter here of 19 mm, and the center from this end will be at 35 mm, and here from this center point, okay, select this point and select the center of circle. So the horizontal distance here will be of 16.5. Okay, go to finish sketch, take extrude. Here we are going to take asymmetric extrude. First dimension will be 15 mm. So this is the 15 mm side, and the next dimension will be 20 mm. Okay, so this will be 20 mm. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command, and here select the center point, make a circle of diameter 12.5. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select 12.5 dia, flip the direction, and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Go to home, Now here we are going to make a cut at this face. So select this face, go to create sketch, and here take the rectangle command. Take 2 point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle. Go to dimension. Define this width here as 55 and this total dimension here will be of 3 mm. Okay. Now here take 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction, and here we will take all. So this will also be a through cut. Press OK. So this is the profile. Now here we will define the appearance. From here go to the golden color, or you can take the yellow color or any you want. I have taken a glossy gold. Okay, so this will the appearance. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct this type of models in Autodesk Inventor 3D. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.